Life after social media, real transformations and lessons learned. Welcome back to Social Screen. In our last episode, we explored digital minimalism and practical ways to take control of your online habits. But what happens when people fully disconnect from social media? Today, we'll dive into real-life transformations, stories of people who quit social media, what they learned, and how their lives changed. We'll also discuss the unexpected benefits of quitting social media, the struggles and withdrawal symptoms people experience, how to build a meaningful life beyond the screen. 1. The unexpected benefits of quitting social media. Increased focus and productivity. People report that after quitting, they suddenly have more time and mental clarity. Example, a university student who quit social media improved their grades and launched a side business. Better mental health and reduced anxiety. Studies show that reducing social media use leads to lower stress and anxiety levels. Example, a woman who struggled with social comparison on Instagram felt happier and more confident after leaving. Stronger real-life relationships. People report having deeper conversations and more meaningful connections. Example, a father who quit Facebook started spending more time with his kids and noticed a huge improvement in their relationship. More creativity and self-discovery. Without the constant distraction of scrolling, people. Example, a musician who quit detox started writing original songs again instead of chasing viral trends. 2. The challenges and withdrawal symptoms. The urge to check notifications. The first few days can feel like withdrawal from an addiction. Some report reaching for their phone automatically, even when they know the app is deleted. Fear of missing out, FOMO. Many worry about missing important updates or feeling disconnected from friends. But after a few weeks, most realize they're not actually missing much. Boredom and discomfort. Without social media, people often don't know what to do with their free time at first. This discomfort is actually a sign that they're used to constant stimulation. Example, a teenager who quit social media initially felt restless but later picked up painting as a creative outlet. The pressure to return. Friends and family may question why someone is quitting or even pressure them to return. Example, a professional who left LinkedIn struggled with the fear of losing career opportunities but found alternative ways to network. 3. Life after social media, what changes long-term? Realizing you don't need it. After a few months, most people no longer feel the urge to return. Their attention span improves, and they feel mentally lighter. Shifting to real-world activities. People fill their time with hobbies, exercise, deep work, and quality time with loved ones. Example, a young woman who spent 6 hours daily on Instagram started volunteering at a local shelter and made new, real-life friends. No more social validation addiction. Without likes and comments, people learn to validate themselves instead of seeking approval from others. Example, a photographer who quit social media stopped worrying about engagement metrics and started creating art for himself. Improves sleep and mental clarity. Removing late-night scrolling improves sleep quality, reduces stress, and enhances overall well-being. 4. How to live without social media. Set clear intentions for your time. Replace social media with activities that genuinely fulfill you. Example, instead of scrolling in the morning, go for a walk or read. Build stronger offline connections. Schedule in-person meetups instead of relying on online interactions. Example, a group of friends who quit social media started a book club to stay connected. Use tech for purpose, not passive consumption. Instead of using your phone mindlessly, use it to learn, create, or communicate meaningfully. Set boundaries for digital use. If quitting completely isn't realistic, create strict rules for how and when you engage with social media. Final thought, social media isn't inherently bad, it's about how we use it. Ask yourself, are you using social media, or is it using you? Call to action. Try quitting for a week and observe how you feel. Find one real-world activity to replace your scrolling habit. Share your thoughts with us at Social Screen.